Wait, is this tiny van hiding a full luxury apartment? This isn't your average motorhome. It's compact, sleek, and shockingly smart. And today, we're stepping inside the Etrusco T 6.9 SB to find out if this minimalist masterpiece is worth the hype, or just another camper trying too hard. Let's begin. At first glance, the Etrusco T 6.9 SB doesn't scream for attention, but that's exactly its power. It's built on a Fiat Ducato chassis, known for reliability and smooth handling. And the design? Glossy white finish, sleek black accents. It looks less like an RV and more like a premium tech product on wheels. Length, just under 7 meters, easy to maneuver in tight roads, even cities. Height, under 3 meters, fits under most trees and parking limits. It's clean, elegant, and made for stealth camping in style. Open the side door, and wow. Inside, this van punches way above its weight. You get a compact foldable dining table, swivel driver and passenger seats, a side-facing sofa bed, matte wood panels, soft lighting, and real storage solutions. It feels tight, but intentional. Every inch is used with purpose. This isn't about luxury for show. This is functional design with warmth. And no, this isn't some AI-generated fantasy. This layout is real, and it works. Let's talk kitchen. You get a 2-burner gas stove, compact round sink, and a 70-liter fridge with freezer. It's not meant for gourmet dinners, but perfect for daily meals, off-grid cooking, or remote work breaks. Above and below, storage compartments everywhere, slim, smart, and soft close. Even the cutlery drawer has dividers. No rattling, no mess. It's what happens when Germans and Italians collaborate. Elegance meets efficiency. And yes, there's a bathroom, a real one. Inside this compact beast, you get a standing shower cabin, a flush toilet, a small sink with a lit mirror, towel rail, and ventilation fan. It's not huge, but it's private, clean, and real. Perfect for wild camping without the weird gas station runs. At the back, a fixed double bed, high enough to store gear underneath, low enough to feel cozy. There's also the option for a drop-down bed depending on the model. Reading lights? Check. USB ports, built-in, storage shelves, all around, and a window view of the forest or lake, depending on where you camp. This is small space, done right. What if you want to disappear for a few days? You can. Freshwater tank, 110 liters. Waste tank, 90 liters. Optional solar panels for off-grid power. Truma Combi, heating to stay warm anywhere. Plug into shore power when needed, or go full stealth mode. The van supports it. Driving the Etrusco? Smooth, stable, silent. The 2.2-liter diesel engine offers great torque and mileage. Automatic and manual options are both available. Built-in LCD infotainment, reverse camera, ABS, hill start assist. It drives like a car, not a cargo van. Whether you're cruising on highways or winding through forests, you'll feel confident behind the wheel. So, is the Etrusco T 6.9 SB worth it? If you want a full-size home, number. But if you want a minimalist, real-world, adventure-ready van with everything essential packed into a compact shell, this might just be the best value motorhome under 7 meters. Would I live in it full-time? Maybe. Would I road trip across Europe in it? Absolutely. If you liked this tour, drop a like and subscribe. We've got more compact motorhomes, wild builds, and tiny homes coming your way. And if you have questions or want to see a specific model next, comment below. See you in the next ride.